to all. Well, to the University Student Council and other student entities here, thank you for considering me here. And siguro, bigyan na lang natin ng clarification or yung ng essence yung bakit ginagawa ito ng USC. Well, when I was invited by the University of the Philippines in Mindanao sa kanilang General Assembly last August, I have to backtrack yung naging history nung genuine student representation from there on. So, syempre hindi man ako from UP, so I have to read the history. So, when former Senator Kiko Pangilinan became the first student regent way back then, it was a long history of struggles for the students para sila ay makaupo sa University of the Philippines Board of Regents. And from there on, dito nag-start yung muling panunumbalik ng mga student councils from different schools in Manila, from Luzon to Visayas to Mindanao. And with that, makikita natin that there is a need there is a need for a genuine student representations. Hindi lang sa Universidad ng Makati, ngunit sa bawat academic institutions in the Philippines. And I think this gathering also manifests what a momentous event for the University Student Council, not just for the University Student Councils, but the studentry of University of Makati. And I hope and pray that I think the new set of the current set of the University Student Council made effort for their time para maging maganda, maging maayos, and that the University Student Council Constitution bylaws will be genuinely and well represented for the students. Thank you so much.